Over the past 2 years, nearly all our series have been newly launched or updated. From our BMW 1 series to the 7 series, from the X1 to the X7. All of this has had a positive impact on our worldwide sales, and we have achieved our strongest first 10 months ever. Whilst we have been growing our business altogether, our sales in the luxury segment increased by almost 60% in the year to date. Exciting addition to our compact class and completes our sporty and stylish BMW Gran Coupé family. Today, I'm delighted to present a brand new model that will take this extremely successful vehicle concept to our compact class. Our first ever BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe. Here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, the world premiere of our new BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe. It's another exciting addition to our compact class and completes our sporty and stylish BMW Gran Coupe family. The sheer number of new vehicles and world premieres we showcase today really underlines how important the US market is to us.